Okay, all you S197 owners with the sagging leather door insert, or I should call it pleather. The pleather, after a couple of years, starts sagging and gets loose. Want an easy solution to fix it instead of trying to re-glue it? Here it is. Simply remove your door panel, peel off the pleather, and just like this. Ugh. Obviously take off your window switches. You can pull off the door panel if you want, or leave it on the car. Under the pleather is a foam insert that's glued onto the door. You could struggle and peel the foam off, and this is what you get underneath. You could clean this and have a factory plain black look, or if you don't want to take the time to clean that, get some silicone and the hard door inserts, and that's what you get. Looks brand new.